Good afternoon. How are you? You have been good? That's so good. So, welcome to our class today. I see you are all happy and ready to learn, isn't it? Yes. So, today we'll be dealing with the bank reconciliation, okay? And before we go to that, I want us to recall what we learned last time. One thing that we learned last time was what? Elizabeth. Items that appear in the cash book but not in the bank statement. What else did we learn?
Items that appear in the bank statement and not in the cash book.
Items that appear in the bank statement but not in the cash book. That's good. Appreciate the two students. It's one club. Thank you. So today our lesson will be about updating the cash book. I want us to learn how can we update cash book. So updating the cash book. So at the end of the lesson, what are the outcomes? You should, number one, understand how to update the cash book. Number two, after we know how to update the cash book, we need to know correction of the bank statement. Bank statement. And how do we correct the bank statement? We correct this using the bank reconciliation statement. So outcome number two, understand how to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. So at the end of the lesson, make sure you understand the two, because these are the outcomes for the lesson. Bank reconciliation statement. Are we together? Good. So we'll start by, let me share an example. I'll start by sharing the example. So we can note this one down. You can note this down. You can note this down. The cash book of Mavuno Traders. Cash book of Mavuno Traders showed a debit balance. Of Kenyan shillings 45,000. On that past March. So on comparing the cash book with the bank statement, the following items are found. Number one, bank charges. Kenyan shillings 1,200. We have interest received. Kenyan shillings 800. Then number 3, we have customer paid 10,000. Customer paid 10,000 directly into bank. Then we have standing order for rent. Standing order for rent. Kenyan shillings 6,000. Then we have the last one. The last one, a check received from a customer. A check received from a customer, Kenyan shillings 4,000, was dishonored. So you are required to do what? Update the cash book. You are required to update the cash book. And now, as we have said, there are items that appear in the cash book, but do not appear in the bank statement. So, for this one, how do we update the cash book? First of all, the first thing that we are told, we have the balance as per the cash book. We always have it. And you know that I gave you the format for how the update should be. Yes. Isn't it? Yes. So now, how do we update our cash book? Number 1, we have the balance. So we have the amount here. Amount in shillings. Then we have what? The details. So we have the balance as per the cash. How much was it? 34. 45,000. Then we do what? We have the interest received. We add that one was money in. So interest received. We add interest received. How much was it? Yes? 800. We add what else? Another link that shows money in. We have direct deposit by customer. So we have direct deposit. How much was that? 10,000. But we have to less. Remember, cash books always have the debit and the credit side, isn't it? So we less what? Something that shows money out. What is it? Bank charges. So we less bank charges. But remember, this one should give you the total of how much? Calculate for us. That is 55,800. So less bank charges. How much was the bank charges? 1,200. We less what? We had standing orders. Standing order. How much? 6,000. We less what else? We had something else. Dishonored. We had a dishonored check. How much was it? 4,000. What do we get as the total? The updated cash book balance. Now we have the updated cash book balance. That is 44,600. Good. Now that's a updated cash book balance, and this one is the balance now brought down, isn't it? So I have given you question papers. You have your question papers. You have question number 8. Question number 8 that says we update the cash book. So check question number 7. So I want us to form groups. I want us to form 2 groups. We do question number 7. Question number 7. So we can do that. It's about the cash book. We revise and understand how to update them. And this one. And form your group here. I'll be checking to see that you have updated that side correctly. So I'll be checking to see that you have updated that cash book correctly. We'll do that one in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes. Make sure you have read the question well and note what appears in the cash book and does not appear in the bank statement. Question number 7, 8. Question number 7, 8. Always note that you have the bank balance. Always speaking what goes to the bank reconciliation and what goes to the cash book. So in a few minutes, and always note that I said in a cash book, you always consider what money in and money out.
Kumaanisha ilionyesha sana kwa
So no, let's check you are supposed to be the cash. Money in what? We add. We always add money. On the left side, we say it's like the credit side, and then the card is the credit debit side, because you always have the money in and the money out. So you must be keen about that.
Yes, and
Want us to know the bank, the updated cash book balance. Yes, always make sure you don't have to cancel an accountant this screen.